Okay, so in this short video we're going to take a quick look at how you can get perfect colour in your pictures by using this. Now I've done a video on this quite a while back, but the audio quality then wasn't good. Real quick one this time, literally just to show you how you can use the Calibrite ColorChecker Passport. So when I got this new ColorChecker Passport sent through, which is actually called the Duo, because you can use it for perfect colour in your stills and your video, I just thought it was an ideal time to do an updated video. Now just so that you know, even though I was sent this through, I've not been asked to do a video, I've not been paid to do a video, and I've actually got to send this back. But now that's out the way, what is it and how do we use it? So the ColorChecker Passport has been around for a long time. It's the industry standard when it comes to colour correction with the grey card for white balance and the classic colour checker patches. This Duo also has the equivalent for colour correcting video built into it as well, with 6 chromatic colour patches, 6 skin tone patches, 6 grayscale patches and 6 highlight and shadow patches. There's also 3 targets for white highlights, greys and saturated gloss black. But to use it in photography to get perfect colour, this is what we need to do. When you're taking photographs, just take one that includes the colour checker open with the grey card and the patches facing towards the camera. Make sure that none of it is obstructed and that the markings along the bottom are clear. You now need to download the colour calibration software from Calibrite. I've added a link to that in the description part of the video. And once installed, you can use it with your editing software, which for me is Lightroom. So once you have all your images from that particular photo shoot imported, go to the one image that includes the color checker. Then go to File, Export with Preset, Color Checker Camera Calibration. Give the profile a name and then click Save. If everything is okay and the calibration software is able to clearly see the colour checker, then you'll get a pop-up telling you that the profile has been created successfully and that you now need to restart Lightroom. Now before it used to be that the calibration profile would be found in the calibration tab, but you'll now find it by going to the Basic tab, then the Profile drop-down menu and choosing Browse, and you'll find it there. So I can hover over it to see a real-time preview of what it will do to the colours and click on it to apply it. Then we can use the White Balance tool to remove any colour casts. I click on the White Balance tool and then click on the grey card that's also included in the Duo. Now don't expect a moment unless your camera is way off, but you'll definitely see a change, as you can see here when we go before and after. But just know now that the colours in your image are 100% accurate, and as they are in real life. Now if you want to then apply this across a series of images from the same shoot and lighting conditions, just click on the image containing the ColorChecker Duo, hold down the Shift key and click on the other image and then Sync Settings. Make sure that the only settings checked are the treatment and profile and white balance, and then click on Synchronize and you're done. So what's happening here is that we use the grey card to remove any unwanted colour casts, and we use the colour calibration profile to make sure that the colour values of the patches in the checker are exactly as they should be. If those colours are exactly right, then every other colour in the picture will fall in line and be accurate as well. So there you go, just a really quick video to show you the process of how you can use this, the ColorChecker Passport, obviously this one's the Duo, to get perfect colour in your pictures. And it really doesn't take much effort at all. Just take one extra photograph when you're doing a photo shoot, be it indoors or outdoors. And you've seen there in that tutorial how quick it is then to make all the other images have perfect colour. And that is massively important when it comes to photography. And even though we do colour grading on our images, to have that perfect starting point is massively important, because not only does it give us that good starting point, it means that we can then, if we want to, replicate the same look on other images. We're starting from the same place, so it's much easier to kind of dial in those effects and have the same result at the very end of it. Obviously, having perfect colour is also massively important if you're somebody who photographs products, like clothing or food or anything like that, when you need to give your images to a client, because they obviously want them to be accurate as well. But really, really simple process. The ColorChecker Passport Duo, that one there does the videos as well. So really handy bit of it, fits in your camera bag, fits in your pocket. But that's it. That's all I got for this video. So as always, give us a thumbs up if you've got something from this. Click on subscribe because it's just a great free way that you can support this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.